Pull. Got it.
Okay. Quants, put a couple on there. Here, one of y'all wear the GoPro.
Oh.
Whoa. Boat.
Grandpappy's Ithaca.
Both of them explode as we shoot. Ready? Ball. Ah!
Robert, put this GoPro on.
Yeah, dude. Cripple shoot.
Cripple shoot.
Yeah, this is our bolt. There it is.
I wanted that follow up.
Bolt.
Dude, it's all about the stance. Oh shit.
Bolt. Doing great, buddy.
Yeah, it's all in the stance, you know? It's all in the legs. Bingo!
These two fucking.
Hey, well, let's just do this. Justin, you want to target top, I'll get bottom?
Sure.
Let's have fun with it, since he's throwing two every time.
That's gonna be a good one. I like that.
You ready?
Yeah.
Pull.
Oh, shit.
Ready?
Yep.
Pull. Ready? Pull.
Ah!
Pull.
Nice. Sniped it.
Quack, 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 quack.
Pull.
Damn, you got both of those.
Pull. God.
Ah!
Dude. This gun, dude. Oh my god.
Yeah, you like that?
No.
Yeah.
Ow, dude.
Oh, did you just bust your face with it?
Yeah, dude.
Hell yeah.
You've got to get so close to it.
Yeah, Justin, I shot 3 rounds out of that. I was like, no.
I know.
I was like, I'm a decent shooter. I'm not bad, but I got shot that 3 times. I was like, absolutely not.
Oh my
I was
god.
like, I am good.
Okay.
Well done, you mate.